Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to start online jewelry business. Have you been wondering how to start an online jewelry business? Maybe you have always had an eye for finer things in life. Perhaps you have a vision of the perfect collection in your hand and you are keen to make your mark in the industry. Whatever the reason for wanting to create an online jewelry boutiques, now's a great time to start your jewelry. Worldwide, the value of the global jewelry market is expected to increase from $230 billion as of 2022 to around $292 billion by 2025. Starting a jewelry line and running your own online store can be a daunting challenge. Identity and market opportunity. Before you start any business, it's important to know there are customers out there keen to buy from you. That's why you need to do your research before making and selling jewelry. The last thing you want is to spend endless time and money designing a line of dye jewelry to sell just to discover that no one wants it. Fortunately, there are plenty of ways to gather research. Remember, there are difficult kinds of jewelry companies, different kind of jewelry companies that you can consider as you're interested in selling high quality fine jewelry. If so, you will spend more on your initial materials, but you can also sell for a higher price and maintain a great brand identity. If you prefer custom jewelry, you can manufacture designs for a lower price, but you may need to earn the highest sales. Something Sometimes it helps to do some of your own product research too. Conduct a competitor analysis. Check out other online jewelry business competitor on the web and find out what they are doing right now. This will help you to differentiate your brand. Look at Google Trends. Tools like Google Trends allow you to search for trending topics in an industry, so you know which items are popular.